Hello everyone, welcome to IT Horizon. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the discounts of Odoo 19 sales. In Odoo sales, discounts are used to reduce the selling price of the product or service either per line or on total order or throughout promotions and coupons. So let's see how to manage the discounts in Odoo sales. Navigate into the sales module, head into the configuration settings, and enable the discounts. So this would grant the discounts on sales order lines. Afterwards, you can see the changes that you have made. Move on to the orders and choose quotations. And click on New to create a new quotation by filling out the details of the customer. Now you can add the product. I would like to add the product as cable management box. You can set the price with the quantity. I just want to set the quantity as 5 and I'll be setting 5 quantity and you would be able to see the amount over here. Here you can see that currently a 10% of discount is applied. To change the discount, you can again click on, apply the discount, or you can set the discount based on the order lines, global discount and fixed discount. Now I would like to set the discount on all order line. Let's say I want to set a discount of 5% and let me apply it. So here you can see that currently the discount has been changed into 5%. Now when you just add any other product over here, you can see that the discounts will be added over here. If you want to again set the other percentage of discount, you can simply add the discounts per line. So this is most commonly used discounts, and you can add a discount percentage directly on each product line in the sales order. Now let's move on with the other discount. So when you just move on with the line level discount, you can see once you change the discount, that discount will be applied for each line over here in the product. Now upon moving on to the discount, you can also see that we have a global discount. Global discount is basically used on entire order, not just one product. So once you just set that, you can see I would like to set 50% as discount for global discount. So here you can see that we'll be applying a global discount. So here you can find that we have a product which is cable management box. Now let me remove this discount. That's a previous discount, and we'll be only applying the global discount. So once you provide the global discount here, you can see that for 5 quantity of cable management box, it will be 500. And for 1 quantity of sprites, it will be 9. And when you provide 50% of discount, it will be 242.50. So in this case, we just need to update the price. This is because we know that we have a discount which being applied for the order lines. And let's reapply the discount as global to get the exact change. So here currently you can see that we have applied a global discount and that global discount is given over here. So when you just consider 50% of discount for 500, it will be 250. And for 50% of discount for $9 will be 4.50, which has been added over here. Now let's see how to manage with the fixed amount of discount. If I would like to set a $100 discount, I'll be clicking on apply and a fixed amount will be discounted from the entire total. So that's all about discounts in Odoo 19 sales. And thank you for watching the video.